Okay guys, on October 14, 2024, now you can see that this is my plant of kalanchoe tomentosa. It is also called as the panda plant. Now you can see that this is my mature plant, and now we will try to propagate it from the stem cutting. And it is the kalanchoe, so even you can grow it from the leaves. Obviously, when you will take the cutting, be sure that this cutting is very much healthy. Okay, so now we are selecting our cutting, and now this is our first cutting. Now we will remove the lower leaves. Why it is so? Because when these leaves will get intact with the soil, they can create certain sort of rot. Okay, so it is better to remove the lower leaves. Okay, so now we have taken our cutting, and one more thing, that you should have to place this cutting in shade for several days, like 2 to 3 days, so that it can become calloused or healed properly, and then you can plant it in the media. Okay, on 17th of October 2024, now we have taken our media, and you can see that this media consists of simple sand and simple garden soil. Okay, so but first you should have to water this media thoroughly, so that all the media will get soaked up. And now you can see that due to sand, our drainage is very good. You can see that how fast the water is going down. Okay, and you should have to avoid the media which has the ability to retain the water content, because more is the like muddy condition in the pot, more are the chances of rot or degradation of the plant. So now you can see that we just have put our cutting in the media. Okay, so and one more thing, that you have to wait long. Why it is so? Because it is winter now in our area, so plants will be in dormancy state. Okay, on March 16, 2025. Okay, now you can see that this is my result. Some weeds also used to grow inside the pot, so we have to remove these weeds out. Okay, so my pruner, I'm just taking these weeds out. Okay, and as it is this cutting has survived the long winter, like October, November, December, January, February, 5 months of dormancy. And now you can see that we have a very little roots developed. Why it is so? Because kalanchoe tomentosa is always dormant in the winter, and this growth is just in the last 12 to 14 days. Okay, so it has survived its dormancy state, and you can see the small root ball. Some of the roots used to come, while on the shooting side you also can see certain growth. Okay, so now you can see that on the shoot side or shooting side, we can see a little bit of new leaves coming out. Like you can see this, some new leaves are coming out, and this is a positive growth. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow your kalanchoe tomentosa or panda plant from stem cutting. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.